Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Therabody X United Polaris Business Class Amenity Kit for 2023. And this is in the shape of a fanny pack, so it's pretty much very different from any of the previous Amenity kits. These are the kit contents, and let's open it right up. Okay, let's take everything out. Everything out of this one. However, the front pocket is empty. Alright, so first up we have these gray socks with this padding. Then we have this gray eye mask, this thing which I'm about to open, the dental kit, earplugs, a pen, which usually is plastic but now it's cardboard, soft tissues, and this card. Let's open this up. So we have a face mist, towelette, lip balm, hand cream, and serum. The earplugs, which are gray, and then the toothbrush and toothpaste, which is wooden. And the tissues. And if you see my previous videos, you know that the purple United kit with Away just came out, or just went out a month ago, and that was much more bare bones, and this new one is a lot more better, as you can see. This is also a lot more sustainable, as there's wooden pen instead of plastic, wooden toothbrush, no plastic, and yeah, instead of more plastic, it's just this type of paper material. Overall, I would give this kit to be one of the more better ones, as the amount of stuff it has, like this whole Therabody section, is just really nice to see. Anyways, that's all we have for today. Thank you. Bye.